What's good with y'all, everybody? It's your boy, Kid Bush, Bush the Buddha, back one out banging for y'all today. Hope you're having an amazing time. Hope you're having a blessed day so far. And in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to SunGaze, a sun gazing tutorial. And I did make a video about this in the past, but that shit was like way back then, and I never really taught y'all how to sun gaze. It was just what sun gazing was and the benefits. So first thing, right, you want to be out in nature, you know what I mean? I usually be in my backyard or like at the park, but I just found a new spot. I mean, you can do this in your room, you know what I'm saying, through the window. You can do this from indoors, but ideally you want to be outside in nature, get the full benefits, you know what I mean? But actually, first thing also, before you hop outside, make sure you're well hydrated. That's important, because the sun's just gonna detoxify your whole body. It's gonna detoxify and get all those toxins out of your whole system, right? So you wanna make sure you're hydrated and shit. And another thing, if you think you're gonna go blind from staring at the sun, then you can click off right now. This video is not for you. Just might as well click off right now. Remember, you create your own reality. So once you're outside, well hydrated, you out in the sun, you know what I mean? There's no sun right now because the fucking chemtrails and shit, like that shit wasn't just, bro, a couple hours ago, no clouds were in the motherfucking sky, legit. Look at that shit. But that's besides the point. Once you're outside, mentally prepared, because you got to be prepared for the sun. The sun is going to give you so much information, it's going to give you so much energy, and it's just going to cleanse your body, soul, and mind. All right, so you got to be prepared for this shit, right? So once you're outside, hydrated, prepared, you want to take some deep breaths. Start off by just taking deep breaths, like really deep breaths. Let everything in, let everything flow out, you know what I mean? Like you was getting in like a prepare to meditate kind of, right? And you just want to loosen up, just let everything be in the moment, like you was about to meditate, but you're sun gazing this time, right? And once that sun's just nice and clear, no clouds over it, for beginners, if you're new to this, I want you to look at the sun for 2 seconds only. That's it. Look at the sun 2 seconds, close your eyes for about 30 to 40 seconds. And once you close your eyes for about like 30 to 40 seconds, I want you to look back at the sun and look at that shit for 3 seconds only. That's it. Close your eyes after that, and then just close your eyes for about 40 seconds. And after that, you're done. Go back inside, or you can just chill outside, you know what I mean? But for after that, do not do it at all that whole day. Next day, you're gonna do 2 sets of 2. So I recommend doing it sunrise and sunset for beginners, because that's like when the sun is like the best, you know what I'm saying? It's at its peak. Well, me, I can look at the sun any time of the day. I can actually look at the sun for like 5 minutes. The longest I looked at the sun, about 6 minutes, dead ass. But for beginners, first day, just do what I just said. And second day comes, right? It's the morning and shit, sunrise is happening. Look at the sun for 3 seconds. Look at it for 3 seconds, close your eyes, 40 seconds, and then do the same thing again. Look at it, 3 seconds, close your eyes, 40 seconds, right? And when sunset comes, I want you to do that same thing. Look at the sun, 3 seconds, close your eyes, 40 seconds. But the second time, after you just do that, try to look at the sun for as long as you can without your eyes getting irritated, right? And if your eyes do get irritated, go back inside, bro. You're done for the day, right? But try to look at it for as long as you can. Say you look at it for 8 seconds, right? Just close your eyes for about like a minute, alright? And after that, bro, it just starts building up. Your eyes start getting used to it like that, bro. Once you start doing it for like about a week, that shit becomes so natural to you, and you're just gonna start realize how much energy, information you're actually fucking getting from the sun, bro. The sun does fucking wonders for you. It gives you so much melatonin. Like, we supposed to be getting like at least 4 hours of sunlight a fucking day. We're supposed to be in the sunlight all fucking day, right? And I don't care what skin color you are. You could be white, you could be whatever, bro. You can still get sun. you can still get sun. It don't matter what skin color you are. It's just some people can stay in the sun longer than others, right? But that doesn't mean shit. You can still go out in the fucking sun and get you some sun. At least get an hour a day. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter how, like, irritated the sun makes your skin, bro. You can still get an hour a day. Just don't be in the sun that long. Once it starts irritating your skin, just go back inside and then take a little break, go back outside, keep just, you know what I'm saying, doing breaks. You can make it work. You need fucking sunlight, bro. That shit literally heals you. We're supposed to be getting at least 4 hours of sunlight, bro. So don't complain about what skin color you are. Anyone can get sun. Everyone has to get sun. All right. So once you start sun gazing, bro, you'll realize so much, all the energy you'll be having. You'll be more happy. You'll start being more in the moment. You know what I'm saying? Sun gazing definitely changed my life. Sun gazing helped me quit weed, helped me quit smoking and shit. And another fucking thing, when you start sun gazing, you're not gonna be doing the same shit as you used to be, bro. Straight up. Like, because the sun is cleansing everything and it raises your consciousness, right? So once you start sun gazing and meditating more, you become aware of what you're putting in your body. So if you was a person like drink all the time, turn up and shit, right? Always turning up all the time, you start to sun gazing and shit, sun gaze for a couple of days, and then like the weekend comes by, you take a sip of liquor. Right when you take that sip, you're gonna feel it automatically. You're gonna feel how fucking toxic that shit really is in your body. And it's gonna make you want to throw up. Like, like you might love fucking drinking, you might love the taste of fucking tequila and shit, but once you start sun gazing, that shit is gonna taste fucking terrible to you, bro. That shit, cause you're at a low conscious, so of course that shit's gonna taste motherfucking good. But once you raise your consciousness, become aware of what you're putting in your body, because the sun cleanses all those toxins, you're not gonna want to be doing that same shit. You're not gonna be doing the same shit as you used to be, because the sun, like I said in like a really old video, the sun just gives you natural euphoria. Being out in nature gives you natural euphoria. You're slowly gonna start doing all that bullshit things. You're not gonna have to rely on weed and drinking and vaping so much, right? Another thing I want to add is don't push yourself, bro. Like, don't force yourself to look at the sun for a minute when you know damn well you can't look at the sun for a fucking minute. Like, the only reason I can look at the sun for that long is because I've been doing this shit damn near the whole year. This whole year, bro. That's the only reason. So just take it slow. Go slow, bro. You really think the sun is just gonna fuck with you like that? Just, like you just go out there and the sun automatically fucks with you? Nah, bro. You gotta take that shit slowly. You know what I'm saying? Don't push yourself. So yeah, make sure you're well prepared, well hydrated. You know what I'm saying? Taking it slow, taking it easy, and enjoy that sun, man. If this video just helped you the slightest, or you enjoy these videos just the slightest bit, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. It really means a lot. It really helps out. And I'll catch you on the next one, man. Love y'all. Peace.